15-foot throwing arm. We're going to attach a bowling ball this time. We've added an extender on the springs that allows 8 more inches of compression on the springs. What we think is happening right now is that we've got about 4,800 pounds of pressure. We're able to add that pressure by cranking down on the chain hoist. Have I forgotten anything? Oh, the pan over if you want to. The tires over here, their purpose is to stop the throwing arm, cushion the throwing arm from hitting the ground very hard, so it doesn't hit the ground at all. So again, I'm Eric Muehling. My compadre over here, his name is
what now?
Roger Ferguson. Perhaps Roger will have a word to say about to the camera.
He's gay.
Ready?
Getting scared?
Yes, I'm scared.
A little harder. Like you're swinging a baseball bat to get a home run.
Oh! Excellent!
I'm balling.
Well, we hit that tree about 50 feet up.